Y'all know this video, boy. We done got the package, bro. We are on the way right now to the house to unbox this package, bro. I know y'all been waiting on this shoe. A lot of people hit on this shoe too, and I've been waiting to see this shoe, really. But make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Starting right now, bro, from the beginning of this video. I'm on the way back to the house, and we're going to unbox this shoe, review this shoe, because no words can be explained for this shoe, bro. The Travis Scott Jordan 6s, bro. In my size too, bro. Sneaker cons this weekend too. It's finna be a lit week. I'm gonna hit y'all when I get back to the spot, bro, because I'm on the way right now and I want to be vlogging and driving. So I am back at the house. Now, sun is setting, but that does not mean we still cannot get lit today. So I got my package from Nike Sneakers. I'll make sure y'all can't see anything because y'all be trying to leak my information. We got the Snkrs box. Now, as I try and pull off this label, bro, y'all know what this is. I tried to like record this as soon as possible. I tried to go get the shoe from my mom's house, bring it back, and now I haven't seen these in person, so this is really gonna mean something. We're using the keys to go ahead and open this box. Nah, I don't need nobody texting my phone. This is a moment that I gotta enjoy. So we gonna go ahead and open it. We're trying to do this with like back. Hopefully y'all can still see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm also gonna be doing a Travis Scott collection video, maybe the day after this, and show like the stuff that I have like by Travis Scott, which is really just the essentials, but I might go ahead and have to do the whole video. Woo-wee. Here we go, bro. And here we got the Snkrs receipt. I'm not gonna show y'all that because it got all the names and stuff on it, but look at this box right here, bro. So we got, the regular Jordan 6 stuff right here. We have the Cactus Jack logo right here, though. The Jumpman. And we have this green box. Usually I think the top is black, and then the rest is like, I think it's like black and white spots like on the regular ones, regular 6 boxes. Right here we don't have anything. Over here we got, this logo by Travis Scott, another Jumpman. Other than that, that's about it. I'm really just trying to talk about the box just because I know that I'm just trying to prolong this moment, but we gonna go ahead unbox the Travis Scott Jordan 6. Okay, so I didn't know we got black paper on top. Black paper. Go ahead and show y'all. We got white paper too. I didn't know that. Woo-wee! Yes, sir. And I didn't even know till after I won. These 6s actually glow. So let me take both of these off. Okay. I gotta see these. Oh yeah, here go the extra laces. I gotta see these. Put this up. I'll keep this in my lap. This is on. Here we go, bro. The Travis Scott Jordan 6s, bro. They have pouches, bro. Pouches. Now, I don't know if y'all know. I'm not saying this just because like this shoe is hype right now. I actually like Jordan 6s. I had Jordan 6s when I was in high school. They're like one of my favorite shoes. I had the infrared 6s, the white infrared. And I really do like 6s. But these, oh, I didn't even know. Look at this. You have the Travis Scott logo right here as well. I did not know that was right there in the pocket. That's fine. And the pocket alone is just hard. Like the bubble that it had right here is already hard to me. But with this pocket, look at the soles, bro. They come with yellow and black laces with the natural green laces. Low-key, I think the green laces might be the best, bro. These are just a hard shoe. We got the Cactus Jack logo in the back. We got the black black sole with the translucent like glow soles. Red Jumpman at the bottom. Black midsole. And this greenish, this matte greenish suede for the upper and the rest of the shoe. Pull tab, we got, this translucent like dark color, and then we have this red accent or Cactus Jack red pink infrared accent over that. This shoe says Nike Air on the back. This one says Cactus Jack. That's one thing I really do like about these shoes. These are tough, and they both have, bro, the fact that this just has a pocket, like, you can't really fit much in here. I mean, you can fit like coins, maybe a little bit of money, like probably like one rolled up or a couple rolled up dollars, and put it in here just to have it in your shoe. This would be fine. But these, bro, oh my, bro. I still can't believe that I won these off of Snkrs. Like, I gotta, wait, I'm gonna drop this collection video and show y'all what I got, because SneakerCon is also this week, so I will be at SneakerCon. I will be bringing the stuff that I have Travis Scott, you know, to the event. But I had to show you these, and I'm gonna show you the Travis collection, because I don't know if I should sell what I have or build it and just get like everything else, because I want to tell y'all, because I don't want to spoil the video, but I'm going to end this video here. I just had to make sure you guys saw this shoe, bro. This shoe is just, come on. It's going to be hard not to rock, bro. Because if you guys did not know, watch my live cop, I got my own personal size 12. So I could throw these on. If you watch my other video, I do have the Jordan 1 size 12, so I could throw those on. We're going to have to see. I'm probably going to try and, I don't know, I'm going to make that decision after SneakerCon or during SneakerCon, because I do want some Astro hoodies. But I'm going to end this video here. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know, what did you think about the Travis Scotts if you got them, because I know a lot of y'all in my comments say y'all win. So let me know what you guys think of your first impressions of this shoe, bro. This is a moment right here. This right here is a moment. But like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, bro. Stay tuned, because we are going to be going to SneakerCon, and I cannot wait. We're going to CompusCon after that. So I should be, you know, lit this rest of the month. I'm going to LA for about a week. But I don't want to talk y'all heads off. I'm going to just shrug, because I don't have an outro, so.